Today on Smackey's Garage, we're talking about something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about gauge mounts, specifically universal gauge mounts that I've built and I've designed. So if you've been following along for the past few weeks, you know that I recently replaced my steering column gauge mount, my air to fuel gauge, with one that I designed myself. Now, I used to run a hose clamp on there, but it wasn't a great solution because it was starting to cut up the steering column a little bit. There really isn't a good solution for this car because the column itself is actually keyed, so it's really hard to get something that fits well. So what I decided to do is invest a lot of money and build one myself, and that's the one that you see here. Now, I've offered this. It's on my website, smackeysgarage.com. You can buy it as this piece here alone. You can buy it with the Autometer gauge cup, or you can buy it with my custom gauge cup, whatever you want to do. But I put this on the site and, it's been holding up really well in my car and I've been really happy with it. But after I did that, one of the things that happened is a lot of people reached out to me and said, hey, can you make one for my car that fits this size? And there was a few different sizes that came across the email. And because of that, I decided to create a few. Now, what I did is I spent a little bit of time researching custom gauge mounts or universal gauge mounts. And in my opinion, there's nothing really good out there, or there's nothing really that fit what I wanted to build. So I ended up designing and building my own, which are the ones that you see here. Now, my goal for this was I wanted to make something that was sturdy, something that wasn't going to fall apart, something that looks better than a hose clamp, but gives you all the same functionality and is a little bit cheaper of a setup. For those of you who don't know, my background is mechanical engineering, and I actually do develop products for consumers. So because of that, I have experience with SolidWorks, I have experience with CAD, I have experience with 3D printers, milling, and heat staking, everything that goes into building these parts for you. So a lot of these parts, I'm excited that I was able to use what I've learned in school and then through industry to start building car parts, because I think my long-term goal is, as the channel grows, is to start offering some custom parts like this and offering them up for sale. Now, I'm extremely excited how these are doing and how well they've came out. So I started building them, and I'm starting to build more of them of different sizes. My goal of these was to make something that looked better than everything that was offered in the market, and I think I have. So let me know down in the comments what you think. So here are the three that I have right now, not including the 1969 Mustang one, but all of these are on my website, smackeysgarage.com, if you want to pick one up. Now, I sell them in two different fashions. I sell them as the clamp itself alone. Now, these will fit my gauge cup that you see here. It'll also fit the Autometer 2204, the 5204, and maybe some others. So you can run a 2 1/16, you can run a 3 3/8 gauge, you can run a few different options from something like this. And so you don't need to buy the cup that I sell. You can buy the Autometer one. It's designed to be universal that way and work with multiple different options that works best for whatever your car, your truck, whatever your setting up is. So of these, there's three different designs as of today. When you're watching this video, I'm probably going to make a few different other sizes that'll fit different universal steering columns. So this one here is a 2 1/4 size steering column. This one fits a 2 1/2 inch size steering column, and this one hits a 4-inch size. So this one will fit vehicles. It'll fit like F100s. It'll fit a lot of other steering columns that have a 2 1/4 inch steering column. This one someone installed on their Cougar, and I appreciate you guys purchasing them and being some test mules as I was developing them. So everything looks good. Now, I've decided to offer them in a few different styles. One, I've built some gauge cups that are 2 1/2 inches deep. I've built some gauge cups that are 2 1/4 inches deep. So depending on what you want. And you can mix and match these depending on what you want for your vehicle. Or the other option I'm going to have, if you do have a vehicle and I don't have an option for it and you want something built, feel free to email me. You can go to the website and email me from the website there, or you can email me from my YouTube account. You can see that if you hit on the About page, there's going to be a link to an email. So I'm completely open to designing some custom gauge mounts, especially if you're looking for something that's more generic, because, there's a good chance that if you want it, someone else is going to want it as well. So if you could help me source some different steering column sizes that are common, that would be really helpful. Of those of you that bought them, that reached out to me after, you sent me some pictures of them installed, I put them on the website so you can see them there. So there's one on a Cougar, and there's also one on a F100. Now, do me a favor and make sure you like this video, share this video so that it does get pushed out, because the more of these that sell, the more things that I can do on this channel, because this channel is completely self-funding. So everything within this just comes right back into all these projects that you see here. So, that's it. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Thank you for tuning into Smackey's Garage this week. I'll see you next time.